Yo, what's going on, guys? Steel Vico here, and I'm barely in frame. You can see right next to me is Uncle Charlie, who I previously unboxed. I bought one more thing at the Spirit Halloween I went to. Actually, the tour you saw, I bought this Uncle Charlie, and I only wanted to buy one thing while I was there. But then we went to another store, and that one was much more crowded, so I didn't record anything. But I did buy a black and red jumping spider. And so I'm going to be unboxing and setting this up as well as doing a short demo. Let's get into it. Probably my favorite jumping spider they have, except for maybe that really big one. We did look to make sure everything was there, but let's open this up here and show you what we've got inside. Peel this back real quick. So let's just take it out of the box. We can see we have the spider with, let me pull this out. Everything is included here. So we have instructions which are crumpled. I don't know if this is how it's supposed to be. Not a big deal. We can move the box out of the way. We have the spider with the mech. Just about everything is attached here to this piece of cardboard, which we will rip off here. So there we go. That comes off. We get this part of the mech. This is the base for stabilization. Alright guys, I have scissors now. We can cut the thing free here. Not sure if this is how I need to do this, but that's how I'm going to do it. So just free it from the two cardboard strips here. And we'll have is the mech. Like I said, did not have a jumping spider. This is my jumping spider now. This is the first one. This, of note, it is referred to as the black and red jumping spider, but the website says red and black. So, what I'm going to do now is untape this thing here. The legs, I guess. That's what they're called. I guess just take it off here. May or may not have left some tape on there. That's okay. I don't care. I can deal with that later anyway. So we've got the feet here. Okay, so we have the module. And it's pretty simple. Match A to A, B to B, C to C. Simple enough. Clicks into place pretty well. I'm assuming that might be, I think there's a key included that you can use if you ever want to separate it. But keep in mind, you do not want to use this without the legs. Even with, you're going to want to use some weight on these jumping spiders. Otherwise, you're going to have a jumping spider fail video on your hands. I can probably take this off. So that pops into place. The base, you can see here how it will jump out and scare you. Is that how it goes? Do you attach it behind, I think? That seems legitimate, I guess. There we go. We can start to unwrap it. The webbing will get caught in your hands. You have to take a Phillips head screwdriver. Not sure if this is the right size, or star head screwdriver. And replace it with 4 AA batteries. So first we need to get it open. Alright, it's open. Now we need to install the batteries.
I tested it, made sure it works. Now I can close it back up again. I don't know, jump cuts or something, maybe. I honestly am not a fan of how you have to set up the webbing. I just don't like. I don't like it when stuff falls off. Like when little bits of hair fall off props, or, for example, Uncle Charlie. Some of his hair did fall off because it wasn't glued on very well. I don't like that, and I apologize here. I'm not a fan of when hair falls off. That's why I'm not a big fan of like Sunstar items. The hair doesn't stay on those very well either. There we go. There we go. Can test it out now. I believe it might be on footpad. There we go. Oh. Uh-oh. So, that wasn't it. So, I did something wrong. That's much better. So I guess I shouldn't be too concerned about losing bits. I think it's kind of inevitable. But, yeah. So, wrap that around there. This kind of just goes over. And then I'll put the front. We wrap, oh boy. This one goes around and down. There we go. There, okay. Well, now we try it. That's much better. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to do a demo in a minute, so don't worry about that. But I hope you enjoyed this video. This video was a mess to shoot. I hope it wasn't as much of a mess when you guys are watching it. But, yeah, I've had a little bit of complications with this, mostly dealing with the webs. So that might be something you want to be aware of. Not really reason not to buy this, because it is a classic. It's an updated classic. Sort of. They gave it a new color scheme, but it's essentially just a reskin. So if you're considering getting a jumping spider, I highly recommend doing it. It's a great jump scare prop. It still scares me sometimes, or startles me. It'll be a good prop. It's definitely one you're going to want to have in your haunt. If you're having a Halloween party, you know, you can use this. It's a pretty cheap prop. Compared to like Uncle Charlie, who was like 200, and this one is 50. You're getting a lot less, but this thing is very, very effective in what it's supposed to do. It's been around at Spirit for years. There have been many renditions, and there's a good reason for that. It's because it's a great prop to have. Made by Techie Toys, if you didn't already know. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. It got kind of long, but you guys might not know that, depending on how I edited it. This video was a bit of a mess to make. I did struggle a little bit mostly with the cloth, as I said previously. But, like I said also previously, I hope it wasn't too much of a mess for you guys to watch. Whenever you guys are seeing this, happy October whatever. Currently it's like the 10th or 11th. It's the 11th. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Expect to see this one in my yard hunt somewhere. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.